Some cars are built to get you from one place to another. But Italian supercars are built for something far more powerful: emotion. These machines combine breathtaking design, roaring engines, and a level of passion that few other countries in the world can match. Every curve is sculpted like a piece of art, every engine note sounds like a symphony, and every drive feels like an event. For decades, Italy has dominated the world of exotic performance cars. Brands like Ferrari, Lamborghini, and Maserati have created some of the most iconic machines ever built, cars that don't just move fast, but make your heart race the moment you see them. Today we're counting down 5 Italian supercars that are built completely different from the rest. And by the time we reach number 1, you'll see a machine that represents the absolute peak of Italian engineering and performance. Italy has always held a special place in the world of high-performance cars. While many manufacturers focus purely on speed or technology, Italian automakers take a very different approach. For them, building a supercar is about creating an experience. It's about the sound of the engine echoing through a mountain road, the way the body lines catch the light, the feeling you get when you sit behind the wheel of something designed with passion rather than just precision. Over the decades, legendary brands like Ferrari, Lamborghini, and Maserati have pushed the boundaries of automotive engineering, producing cars that combine raw performance with unmistakable style. The 5 machines on this list represent some of the most exciting Italian supercars ever created, vehicles that deliver speed, beauty, and emotion all at once. So let's begin the countdown and take a look at the Italian supercars that are truly built different. 5. Maserati Gran Turismo Trofeo. Starting our list at number 5 is a car that perfectly captures the spirit of Italian Grand Touring, the Maserati Gran Turismo Trofeo. Maserati has always been known for blending luxury with performance, and the Gran Turismo Trofeo continues that tradition in spectacular fashion. From the moment you see it, the car's sculpted curves, long hood, and elegant proportions immediately stand out. It's the kind of design that feels both powerful and refined at the same time. But beneath that beautiful exterior lies serious performance. The Gran Turismo Trofeo is powered by a roaring V8 engine producing around 460 horsepower. That power allows the car to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 4 seconds, delivering the kind of acceleration you would expect from a true Italian performance machine. What truly makes the Trofeo special, however, is the driving experience. Maserati engineered this car to feel alive on the road. The steering is sharp, the handling is balanced, and the engine note creates a deep, unmistakable sound that enthusiasts instantly recognize. Inside the cabin, the Gran Turismo Trofeo continues Maserati's tradition of craftsmanship. Rich leather, carefully stitched details, and a driver-focused cockpit create an environment that feels both luxurious and sporty. Every control, every surface, and every detail is designed to enhance the connection between the driver and the machine. With a price starting around $160,000, the Gran Turismo Trofeo offers a perfect combination of Italian style, performance, and heritage. But as impressive as this Grand Touring machine may be, the cars ahead on our list move deeper into the world of extreme Italian supercars. 4. Lamborghini Revuelto. At number 4 we step into the future of Italian supercars with one of Lamborghini's most advanced machines ever created, the Lamborghini Revuelto. From the very first glance, the Revuelto looks unmistakably Lamborghini. Sharp lines, aggressive angles, and the brand's iconic scissor doors immediately signal that this car was designed to dominate both the road and the spotlight. Every detail of the exterior is sculpted to improve airflow and stability, giving the car an appearance that feels both futuristic and brutally powerful. But the real innovation lies under the hood. The Revuelto is Lamborghini's first high-performance hybrid supercar. It combines a naturally aspirated V12 engine with 3 electric motors to produce an astonishing 800-plus horsepower. This hybrid system doesn't just improve efficiency, it dramatically increases performance. The result is breathtaking acceleration. The Revuelto can launch from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 2.5 seconds, placing it firmly among the fastest road cars Lamborghini has ever built. The advanced hybrid system also allows Lamborghini to deliver instant electric torque, giving the car explosive power the moment the driver touches the accelerator. It's a perfect blend of traditional Italian performance and modern technology. Inside the cockpit, the Revuelto continues Lamborghini's tradition of driver-focused design. The cabin features digital displays, premium materials, and an aviation-inspired layout that makes the driver feel like they're piloting a high-performance aircraft rather than a road car. With a price tag around $570,000, the Revuelto represents Lamborghini's vision of the next generation of supercars, machines that combine raw power, cutting-edge technology, and unmistakable Italian design. And as extreme as the Revuelto already is, the next cars on our list push performance and excitement even further. 3. Maserati MC20. Taking the number 3 spot is a car that signaled Maserati's powerful return to the world of high-performance supercars, the Maserati MC20. For years, Maserati was best known for luxury grand touring vehicles. But with the MC20, the brand set out to prove that it could once again compete with the very best performance machines in the world. The result is a supercar that looks stunning from every angle. The MC20 features sleek body lines, a low aerodynamic profile, and dramatic butterfly-style doors that instantly capture attention. Even when standing still, the car looks fast and purposeful. Under the rear engine cover sits Maserati's impressive Nettuno engine, a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged V6 developed entirely in-house by Maserati engineers. This engine produces around 621 horsepower, delivering the kind of performance expected from a true modern supercar. With that power, the MC20 can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 2.9 seconds and reach a top speed of more than 200 miles per hour. To maximize performance, Maserati built the MC20 around a lightweight carbon fiber chassis developed in partnership with racing specialists. This structure keeps the car incredibly strong while reducing weight, improving both speed and handling. Inside the cabin, the design focuses on the driver. Premium leather, carbon fiber details, and advanced digital displays create a modern cockpit that balances luxury with racing inspiration. Starting at around $220,000, the MC20 represents a bold new chapter for Maserati, a car that proves the brand is once again ready to compete in the world of elite supercars. But while the MC20 is an incredible machine, the final 2 cars on this list represent the very peak of Italian performance. 2. Lamborghini Aventador SVJ. At number 2 we have one of the most aggressive and legendary supercars Lamborghini has ever produced, the Aventador SVJ. The Aventador has always been the symbol of Lamborghini's wild side, but the SVJ version takes that reputation to an entirely new level. SVJ stands for Super Veloce Hotter, a name reserved only for Lamborghini's most extreme performance machines. From the outside, the Aventador SVJ looks like something straight out of a science fiction movie. Sharp angles, massive air intakes, and an enormous rear wing give the car an unmistakably aggressive presence. Every element of the design serves a purpose, improving airflow, increasing downforce, and maximizing stability at high speeds. At the heart of the SVJ is Lamborghini's iconic 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 engine producing around 759 horsepower. In an era where many manufacturers rely on turbochargers or hybrid systems, Lamborghini kept the SVJ brutally simple, pure V12 power. That engine launches the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 2.8 seconds, while the top speed climbs beyond 217 miles per hour. The sound alone is enough to send chills down the spine of any car enthusiast. The SVJ also introduced Lamborghini's advanced ALA active aerodynamic system. This technology constantly adjusts airflow around the car to improve cornering grip and straight-line speed, helping the SVJ become one of the fastest production cars ever to lap the Nürburgring racetrack. Inside the cockpit, the experience is just as intense. Alcantara materials, carbon fiber trim, and driver-focused controls make it clear that this car was designed for performance first and luxury second. With prices starting around $500,000, the Aventador SVJ stands as one of Lamborghini's most thrilling creations, a machine that perfectly represents the brand's tradition of outrageous power and dramatic design. But even this extreme V12 monster isn't the ultimate Italian supercar on our list. 1. Ferrari SF90 Stradale. Taking the number 1 spot is a car that represents the absolute cutting edge of Italian performance and technology, the Ferrari SF90 Stradale. Ferrari has built some of the most legendary supercars in history, but the SF90 Stradale marks a major turning point for the brand. It's the first Ferrari road car to combine a powerful twin-turbo V8 engine with advanced hybrid technology, creating one of the most powerful production cars the company has ever produced. At the heart of the SF90 sits a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine. On its own, the engine already produces incredible power, but Ferrari took things even further by adding 3 electric motors. When everything works together, the system produces a staggering 986 horsepower. The result is breathtaking performance. The SF90 Straydale can launch from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 2.5 seconds, delivering acceleration that feels almost like a fighter jet taking off from a runway. It's not just fast in a straight line either. The advanced hybrid system provides instant torque, allowing the car to explode out of corners with incredible force. Ferrari also designed the SF90 with advanced aerodynamics to keep the car stable at extreme speeds. Every air intake, wing, and body line is engineered to control airflow and generate downforce, helping the car stay planted even during aggressive driving. Inside the cockpit, the SF90 feels futuristic yet unmistakably Ferrari. A fully digital driver display, race-inspired steering wheel, and premium materials create an environment that blends luxury with cutting-edge performance technology. With a price tag of around $625,000, the SF90 Straydale stands as one of Ferrari's most advanced and thrilling creations. It perfectly captures what Italian supercars are all about: breathtaking design, emotional performance, and engineering pushed to the absolute limit. When it comes to Italian performance machines built differently from the rest, the Ferrari SF90 Straydale truly sits at the top. And there you have it, 5 Italian supercars that prove why Italy continues to dominate the world of exotic performance machines. Each of these cars represents something unique. From the elegant power of the Maserati Gran Turismo Trofeo to the futuristic hybrid performance of the Ferrari SF90 Straydale, these machines combine breathtaking design, incredible engineering, and the unmistakable passion that defines Italian automotive culture. They aren't just cars, they're experiences. Machines built to excite the senses, turn heads wherever they go, and remind us why supercars continue to capture the imagination of enthusiasts around the world. But now we want to hear from you. If you could take one of these Italian supercars for a drive, which one would it be? Would you choose the raw V12 power of the Lamborghini Aventador SVJ, the advanced technology of the Ferrari SF90, or the sleek design of the Maserati MC20? Let us know your pick in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this countdown, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our next deep dive into the world's most incredible luxury and performance cars.